edition of this conference, the GeekConf. So this conference was like, this is the third edition of this conference that we are doing, and today our topic is building AI first products. And I am from GeekAnts and I am like the sponsor of this particular conference. So like about us, we have been doing a lot of conferences. We have been in the open source and the community space for a while. So we are a 20-year-old company. So we have been like contributing a lot to the developer community, and so we have been organizing conferences, sponsoring conferences like the GeekConf. So this is the third edition of the conference, and so like we know, so today's world is mostly led by AI. So this is the like second AI conference that we are doing. The last one that we did was in December, and this is the second edition. So we have a lot of talks lined up on like how to build AI-driven products. And I think we had around 5 exciting talks about that, and we have a panel discussion also on top of it on how to make sure that your product works on production and make it production ready, scale it and build. So this is about it. And also
And I'm Atul. I'm also from GeekyAnts, a co-founder. And here today we have a lot of people coming in from different companies like AWS, and we have talks from people from Microsoft. So everyone is building AI these days, and everyone wants to leverage the power of AI and want to build their product so that they don't lag behind. So this is something that's big, and it will be huge in coming days. Thank you.
Thank you.
so
We are a 20-year-old company, and we don't want to miss this opportunity of taking AI into consideration and build our products around it and help people bring their products up and build it faster.
What is this year's plan, sir?
This year's plan?
is there? Yeah.
So we are expanding into AI verticals a lot. We have built a lot of, our ecosystem is built around AI, and we are transforming a lot of different processes that we have inside. And also we are trying to build AI for our customers as well, where they can leverage the power of AI into their products.
Okay. Madam, you are saying anything?
I was just telling that this conference is for the community. I mean, this is not like a paid conference. So this is a conference for people to build awareness around AI. So the thing is that there is a lot of confusion. Like people are not sure on the way forward with it. So we are just giving them a direction on building the right products, how to scale it, and how to build on top of it. So that's one intent of this product. So as I was telling, we have been doing a lot of conferences from the past 10 years. So now we have pivoted it to AI and AI-driven products.
Madam, are companies building with AI or just adding it later?
Sorry?
Are companies building with AI or just adding it later?
That's what we wanted to. People were actually just using AI to build their products. Now we want companies to become AI first.
Okay. Okay. How is AI directly improving business outcomes?
Business of
Outcomes. How is the AI directly improving business outcomes?
Everywhere. Like people are building agents where they can ship things faster. They can do a lot of mundane tasks and give it to agents that they are building. So things that were taking around a month of time are probably people are doing it in a couple of days. So the outcomes are huge in terms of the time that they are investing into building things.
The employment is coming down after AI, no? Employment is getting down, decreasing.
That is the misconception that people right now have, and people, obviously are fearing of that, but actually AI is augmenting with humans and helping them reduce their mundane tasks and actually focus on something which is really useful.
Are AI products solving real problems or creating hype?
Definitely they're solving real problems. AI is into healthcare, into fintech domain, everywhere. AI is being introduced now.
Okay, when who is accountable when AI gets wrong?
So that's where I was talking about human. AI is getting augmented with human. So the accountability still exists with the humans that are involved into the processes these days.
Okay, how do you ensure AI remains ethical and unbiased?
that's a problem that we need to solve, that other companies are also trying to solve these days. They are trying to put a lot of guardrails on top of the models that they are using, and based on that, the ethics that people might want to bring in, that's coming through guardrails that people are adding to the models these days.
Okay.
Can you explain about your AI-powered product engineering?
Just explain.
So building software or like building an app, the entire process has changed in the last 2-3 years after AI came into picture, right? So we introduced something called AI powered product engineering. We used to be known as a product studio. Now we are like an AI powered product studio. Or I would say we provide AI powered product engineering services. So now there are like different types of sub offerings we have on top of it. One is that like we used to have like people used to come to us and tell that okay, we have an idea, just like create or like build an app on top of it. Now there are like multiple tools available which can actually have them create something called a prototype, a workable version, I would say, to make it simple. So now they want us to take it, and now like after that they don't know like what to do, how to take it to the production, how to scale it with number of users. So we can help them actually take it to production, scale the product and make it market ready. So that's one of the offerings that we provide. And there are a lot of companies where they have teams, I mean they want to use AI, they want to just scale it up, but they don't have the capability of like making AI native or like making the engineers like native into AI. So we have this specialized engineer equipped with AI. I mean they use a lot of tools, they have that like they use AI efficiently to make sure that like the product is shipped quickly or like they have more productivity. So we have this AI native engineering capability for that. So we do have different structures. It's not defined here, but then like we have a team or a pods of engineers like that we can like augment to any team so that they can actually build and scale their team well. And of course, like one problem of AI, like Atul also explained, is about the security, about the scalability. So we make sure that like whatever code is shipped using AI is like has human checks. It's not like just AI is shipping and like you can rely on it, right? So we need to have human in the loop, and we make sure that like we have this code quality maintained. And of course, like MVP is something that you create, and like for that I would say it's quite temporary, right? So you like from an MVP, from a minimum viable product, we make it product ready. And of course, like we used to be known as a product studio, so now we are an AI equipped product studio rather than that. So these are like I would say the pillars of this AI called product engineering. So we have also pivoted in this AI era. We have pivoted our company also into an AI powered company.
Thank you. Training programs are going on.
So we have our internal training module that we follow for people in GeekConf. It's not a training institute for other students to come in and then get trained. So it's actually something that we are doing it for our clients.
Sir, AI organizes, but it not thinks. It won't think.
It does a lot of thinking. It does a lot of thinking. It can organize tasks.
How you compare with humans?
Take over our thinking process as well.